Here are the different attachment blades that come with the Wahl clipper. We'll start with number 3. Then there's the 5. There's the 1/2 inch. Look at that size there. Number 2. Number 6. 4.5 or 1.5 or 3/16. You have the left to be able to do a left fade around the ears. So you can see there, gives you a nice little progression. And then you have the right side as well. Number 7, there's the number 4, number 8, and a 1. So lots of variety here to be able to have in your clipper tool. This brush here is something that I had from another kit. But it is nice to be able to have a stiff bristle brush to be able to get any of the hair off of your clipper. Keeps it nice and clean. This kit does come with a small one, but I think that it's nice to have a big brush to be able to just do a better job. But this is great for getting into tight little nooks and crannies that the bigger brush won't be able to get into. Great kit, you're gonna love it.